argument, even though you may not call it a superior argument, but argument go for the base will be a lesson that we lose with deal on deserve second chance. Baby free or me minority or say kremuni or ba party no and said danche intino would need base we mutini say the man no don't put think I should be grateful to the party and say thank you bye bye na kokoni baby grassroots no one show more contract what you say and say bebre minim tabo kone de bobom say am yeden.
First of all enye won
okay
isan say so hwe twrosem na eya na ubi anyankopon de adwuma kese bi ahye ne nsa no obanda a lot of attacks.
Okay.
Mame for obi to say Joseph enyem fato ho abra anyankopon eyi ani so ade ho kire ne say oba be yeni patitru na ni nuanom ne papa mpo omo bebo mu ase amano so no daya sorry ya o kan daya no ho asem na ni so ade hu ne mo peso yen e ma ni nuanom nyina krampo betan no edu ba bi no mo che no se nka yenkoku no e na ba ko nya adwinsa cha se ne yen ton no metumi a kire Bible bebre various parts of the Bible obi anyankopon nwosra won so no ade ba ko anwosra na attract ne se attacks bebre.
Okay.
Ba Kristo mpo ye wo na ni na wotwe no I say mpanimfo miensa bi ba se o mehu nsoroma no wo baabi na wo ma ba se o mbesom no so ni na ye intrekese ya Herod de ba be fa so abe settings inti se wo ye obi a woni da fom a ye se bofra a de no ena abadase ti first wonya hu se obi wo ho na nkofo start attack na e apin wachi ne se abotrenti ye ya enye yehu ye ti adwuma we ase
obi se ayi ukọ krokituam ebi akokrokitum ayi ana wedding na wunim nsanom na ope baabi akotwa bia opa emusa was what there for 5 different places ketia efin no so den kofo ta akọ
because they say kofo ta so but no crazy first of all no enye ehu yete adwuma no ase say adwuma we no say opportunity that we nimu ankofo be attack obebre they ntira ankofo attack Dr. Bawumia in fact maybe na me kan obi social media post so say abana yakotuna ko ete say Bawumia nkwa na gina faako.
Yes,
and nipa for na aka ni na gina faako because for na aka no obia start pe na omo attack Dr. Bawumia
yem se ko Agyapong den na wo fom
but at least we hra for ni na muni nara no be a percent or to be man. They intend no more attack Dr. Bawumia because some nyina agitum say and now no na or the front runner
yes in
this election and now kind people kunum hwan na the bobre edu animu a ye pepani obedi animu a ye de hye say ye a dodo na adwenkyere ne say Dr. Bawumia
yeah
enti say obi pese ono enya kwan beje franka ne free nsem a wo so fiase keka ne ho nsem bi
dodo na yi ne scientific ana say ye de ani bubu a
we scientific we polls ankofo ahodo aye sabi even NDC for polls crampo omo kire mu say omo tumi hu say Dr. Bawumia na the front runner na saying term say academics be polls almost came up with the same he say Dr. Bawumia the front runner in this say necra say me hu a Musa dankwa bi na waye ono so e kan sisu biom say ansa na yanka say internal polling ayeye X-ray and say by and large Dr. Bawumia na the front runner in this election.
Okay.
Now even almost 4 now and then nam no mo kura gitum and unti na omo campaign trail so the first thing omo yen say omo attack Bawumia.
Yeah.
Because ono no di anim nti say wo pekwan ba anim a bi mo adwen say e wo say utumi say be ehwan ono free ho e wo say utumi gi franka ne fini say na ka bibi ma amane ho anya akono biom na wo nya kwan aba. Nti eya na omo pese omo de share Dr. Bawumia say 2024 about one e call ya yen nkodim no Dr. Bawumia enti na yen nkodim godin enye no kre
samu so na ye flag bearer
no kre e ka so be a flag bearer enti say ono nti na ye wini ana say ye wini mikrom me constituency krobi ho your friend is Zevo
and if you be free I thought it will be
your friend is Zevo
okay
you ko to about one say Dr. Bawumia enwini na say MPP enwini a untumi sorry preoccupant ka say Dr. Bawumia e wo say udomu asukọ na ohwehwe say dey nti na yenwini was Zevo e bi abekungo so Zevo de omo nto aba emma MPP
okay
me wo Kantamanto Krebia o me ho
Fossa will be.
I can one polling station Krebia what the northern part of the constituency akokwaso akire ho obe kono na bia we asem kan chairman na wo ho one kromafo a wo ho wo ntokwa bi kakra emre so no ye kwa akoto aba na o man koto aba untumi mfa so bo mbebo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nti so otumi dom so kona ho se denti na aba na nkoyi aba no ye to ye no first of all they say NDC om vote mpege bia we have vote om nya 2020 ni 2024 I'm say difference there just close to about 30,000 or so
yes
kitu ebi emom ye na ye vote so te be 2.1 million
na wording
nti ye do mo so ko se ye ko hwese denti a ye ko ye na me ba ye onim bibi me the report bi ba ha say
okay
we Conrad Adina Stifting Foundation for report.
Yes.
The 3 reports are a year after election. Baako ye Ashanti Regional report. And no Eliki Babontin immediately say wetin for nyina.
TTB kakra.
Any one my kokoko report no. And no party no Boni beka say trade secret. Se kwan fa so ye djuma ni ade ni na wom. Nti my kokoko report no. Oman check copies. Ombe kan kire on National Council.
Yes.
And I Conrad that they now for say, many game pafwo, call out Korea research. Said they spoke to over 16,000 people across the country. Report no ma publish it be online. We hear about
oh, I'm publish online.
Publish report na nipa boni form person or back kind report no intino or they are to nche na dey be so ya blame about me.
Oh, make I say
report na online.
Many wo bi o.
And online.
Oh, okay, the message aka ho ase.
Pacho kai Uko page 27 of the reporter or chere the intia you win here. The intia you lose abano.
Okay.
In fact, omoko around only ni pass 16,000 edin kita ho e find out say denti na ba no either say one to anase motutia MPP. Omoko around no 47.3% or hanchiche mu eduonan ensun actually promiensa of omo interview no mo say denti oman to aba ama MPP anom tutia MPP ni say na enemo mo ayede
ayede
say high cost of living.
Say hold on, see okay, almost see say name mo ayede dia and Dr. Bawumia yes wo ye economic waste kid it one na ye
now on no in charge of the whole economy. Okay. Okay. But the first point in say 47.3 almost say a high cost of living.
Okay.
We to say 2 items be e-levy ni betting taxes ebomwa and kwa ebe 13.7%.
Wow.
Kofua to abetia and 13.7% or haji mu dumi ensa na echiri ponso om se di ntom tutia no e-levy ni betting tax. TI because of that one 2.9%. Wako through party for suban and we are 7.2%.
The party for suban is
or see arrogance and disrespectful behavior of appointees.
Oh, okay. Tell you appointees. 7%.
7.2%.
Required for my moderate.
There was no way omoka say Bawumia Kremuniti. Any to abati MPP and I say Yantoaba and I say Bawumia Mampusi Ninti. And Kahubi na de akobani say neno obi pe kwan abeji frank anefi ni 70 nipa 2008 ode ne kra nyina abo afore ma ye party okuma ye party ya ne nyina ye di na chi say Yura Bawumia no and obi pe kwan aje frank afi ni 70 no en Kahubi wakochichira ba say Bawumia ye pepeni Bawumia ye kremoni Bawumia ye mampusi ni enunti nene we fidi so chirim amobi bia oti ene say wo de se wo se my kokko report no kra na unhu bi and I will say Ashanti Regional report no na won kan a gimpafo ne kono that now for aye research abeto abonten Mr.
Dr. Damomo.
Yes.
Okay.
Febina kan now be hu no kra say has nothing to do with Dr. Bawumia. Dr. Bawumia in fact me where me view.
Okay.
Say nya Dr. Bawumia ne de no call election a titu youth ni bi ehwe ne niem bi a waye e kan ho say no yen try MPP ebi anka benya less than the nyaye no 47 ne nyaye no ebi anka ye nya no
there is that possibility.
Yes, but esai sebe ni sune ne ban ne trimupo ne ne so ade hu ni tin kofo bebre so hwe so de e kai ho e ma yetumi benya 47 no say time ye to aba no na kofo pekon di interest onya them say 39 or say 38.1 onya 47%. Yewura Kufuor in fact na 47.1%. Yewura Kufuor echo sorry, no, 41.7%.
Yes.
Yewura Kufuor call first time, only 39%.
96.
Yeah, only 39%.
You put a great alliance.
39%.
Wow.
Na ye ne konkensi aka mu ne ade nyina aka mu only 39%. Yewura Bawumia call first time only 41.7%. But what details no more has nothing to do with say bia or no yanka ye nyina na ekodwa ene ene mahwegu ye. There na also be a polling station awanye. There na also be a electoral area awanye. Constituency officer adwuma bi na also ya awanye. MPB adwuma also ya awanye. Regional executives, national executives, CEO for the board for appointees, chairman for minister for ye nyinara ye kan bi ene ekọ abato aye ne mahwegu ye. Ndinka de abey ka ye pin ko echi ne ebisa ehun senti ye ko ye hwehwemu ne ehun se we na anko ye aman no. Eden ne wo se it fiase etutu ene maye. Nka ho na wo se ehwe ba ebi mu pekwan de aye o ma de enti no ena o ma chekere se yemfa nso a Yewura Bawumia ne empam no mfrimu. Na medanyamia se baby ebeko bia party for dodo ne bebre eti asem no se hwe Bawumia no first of all ye hunfum so bia wo no ho ada hunfum so ne wo no ye hunfum so bia ne wo no obi a no osom ne president asom ne party asom ne man obetumi a kire na gbense ade we de makoma metimu po menim de emfo aso na nyo no ya ban no aban ne betumi decide say ye beye sa ban ne na nkoyi a ye de hu so bobebo no gabi say me metie na me works and housing minister na me information minister there were times I me call cabinet and me can say media mi susu sa de we yemfa ha say
e no cabinet say there
aban ne say there bi if a cabinet there ye tu omanpaninfo ye ma no options
yes
cabinet say there bi Kwadwo ria waka ne ate but fatu nchen ye nyina say ni feel say enko omanpaninfo aso menko e betumi aka say ye me na me dey say decision ne bae but say bi mu pekwan a chichire de aso ano no Dr. Bawumia ka say ye nyina ne kan bae no nti collective responsibility de ye nyina we are responsible and they also esua film no de ono osua na ene no osre say ye ma na kwanya no no so mfa saa ne tiri mu pone ne nim de no emra emesom onya kwan de ba besom a ene ma hodo obe de aboa ye ni nti wo se be obeko bia na okire na ni so ade hu both for party and the country na de na akoba ne say bi mu pekwan esum na ti konti no na ya no ma chechire nsem bebre by say na me de se be obeko bia no ye chire mu no so comfort ya se ofi constituency by constituency to ya se me who videos bebre of comfort. These are polling station for papa no one ye hum so bia so kan two aton every 2028 abane yakwa akoto no we dey NDC the candidate for baba afi no mo mba ba hwe obi aba market no ye di ba bia ni wa ye nton ni nwie and say ye co presidential election one of the things are we here pa ne obi a wo market na ne ton nye din
yes
ye ni pay ye ton na enye din number 3 debe man komona ye de kra ne se niema bebre a owa ban mu a oka ho asem etu ho na mo asa abre no na obi akra mpese obeti no bebre fiase so aba na ye be koye nimi ono no the best person obetumi aso regina se ade we me kan se enye ni sei na mo se the American enye no kre na mo nkire me se the aye kore enye the American na he's the most credible person I be into this election.
Okay,
my example ene Haiti NDC for economic se me na me ranking member of the economic committee NDC for economic promises are the buy enye na omo for feel ba akokra
sa big push no
na big push na we e dey no me push
10 billion
e we hemfa ngogo ngetingiti na we hemfa 24-hour economy na wenfa one job 3 shifts give up for kwampo omko pro mo say o ma start 24-hour economy
adiegu
enye last week no buy say there be ade no emfa
o maka
DVL 4 hour say o ma start 24-hour economy obeko se ni say anaju be 2 no mo to iti o mka obi am be renew the license at 2
ye ko office back be there war adenta no aviation
no policy be pa na o de buy o ma pursue the only thing amanko for boss say ma NDC for the fact say dollar no atf 14 ye di jawom the official interbank rate of 14 atiaba be do 10 now we be say NDC for nankasa say then na moye ma dollar net fee 14 back na ontumi nchiro
da be ndu muntimi
Bank of Ghana na first no pese odin tronso nyame adom democracy na ye operate we dey be babontin no say first ye di kan ka say ye nim de omoye
yes
de omoye va me na me di ani mo parliament kan say ye nim de omoye ni so omo yi dollars are ye any from your reserves no and omo dey wo cedi ni pin na emma
omushedu kubu
emra fom ye kan no obekaya omampani irama makache so wenye no kre na good economic management.
Yes.
And a governor no see you debi omo intervene bia.
And I am a for be one.
And I am a for be te o to say massa they are mo ye ne de. Na say data ne nyina ehwe. Enti e data na obvious say they are mo ye.
Yes.
Enti afi omo ehye om say omo mfa de abroni fe ne framework. Nhihye ya eno na ode be intervene mbra. Enti during the time na omo mfa nhihye ne ma no say omo ja intervention pe na dollar na start e debut.
Eko.
Sorry. E ho no mampani mahama na be kan no kre say ai na no krese Bank of Ghana ni intervene no omujaye ye no e na na fiase
e kwa dansa sa obeka sa no kure lo
nansi oye press conference ya
yes.
Okay every one on be announce say afi omusan be won pin 1.1 billion now so omu start the 1.1 billion be won pen na start at about
yes.
Na question ni say sa dollar no omunye free he answer na mba be ki na ma
okay
baby omunya sa dollar ni fi no e ade bia na ebi nsi da wo Ghana until time Mahamudu Bawumia the buyer say a kwan betumi afa so nya dollar eni
okay
na they support Ghanaian economy ni they friend gold purchase program
na say na you say ni ho finance minister say e bi ni ho
there be there no okase bi ni ho ni gold for oil
okay
gold purchase ni they want to me ankase bi ni ho any okan crop ka bi be no by the way gold for oil na no say e bi ni ho na that Bank of Ghana for buy a miami no mutena ototo o ma no committee o mji to mu say yeto gold over 1.7 billion
yeah.
I mean, yeto crude oil over 1.7 billion under gold for oil program. Now, program I'm saying you but saying I'm say you making losses also.
A question
program I'm saying you but saying I'm say more cancel. I didn't know you
cancel. In fact, you for boss. First of all, so I can say idea I have boss for saying the cancellation of gold for oil.
But me person me chere gold purchase program.
Yes,
because we say masama me can say you about me and say be blokan no. Afi swaba. It is the most credible person as we go into the next election.
Okay.
In June 2021, the gold purchase program by say yemfa CD ento gold. Who the gold no to Bank of Ghana? Your calculation now you calculating as part of your reserves.
Okay.
Into your reserves now ye nina ama ye dollar no so no. Ye the city to gold the to Bank of Ghana. Be my reserve no akosro. You crampo e betumi aton sa gold no near their any forex. Ye use PMMC any Bank of Ghana near fenye. Or the by June 2021. And that mesa babio made the speeches near there Bank of Ghana for ankasa da na se. So all this etri pono aba.
Wow.
And no and NDC about buy PMMC no master sunny ding. Your friend gold board.
I will for
the same company no. Bank of Ghana krona ni si ho. Na fi omo to gold no with CD no. Ye de kogu Bank of Ghana ni a ton gold no in dollar.
Yes.
The dollar no mbinya na no de wo dollar no pin. Enya idea for from the ba na ma menche odi ntia obvious enya idea for omom de buy ye ni de buy first mama date no. Dr. Bawumia na this our program we say buy say yem fence na sa brand na gold prices na maybe $2,000. In fact that time we na do $2,000
na be 1,800
1,000 bibi na wo form ntina wunya dollar say but ohwe petita kremu say ade we say
be koso
yes me kai time oba cabinet be say presentation say fiti independence Ghana nankasa ye gold reserves na 8 tons fiti independence. Now we are starting to build a gold reserves. Or started by the time I feel we are building gold need 30 tons. That's a growth of about 21.9 tons.
Okay.
And about years gold for oil program. Then the gold price I do $4,000.
$4,000?
Yes, per ounce. Inti say on the gold board. EGG gold need the call am saying Joshua. Dollar unya ni boom.
Yeah.
Heavy. Nti no na ba instead say nkomo be boy economy no no dey awo cedi ni pin
and say just sustainable
o dey me ba ye be ba ho
okay
nti omo dey wo cedi ni pin na ma dollar no so atefi 14 ababedu 10 o kan no ma say that interest say na 17 but 17 na black market rate that bank rate no na 14 ababedu 10 nti enenum po no dey buy way the only thing I buy way to me claim credit for which is the reduction in the exchange rate Bawumia program on the two and then we offer friend this DB and bisa say then formula na mo use o kasa dia tum say
I was ko botimi kire
but say o man kasa dia tum say intervention na omo ye na and say na utie Professor Godfred Bokpin o say enye sustainable as mo ye di ka parliament that say enye sustainable in the sense say so china gold price enye $4,000 obekwa konya sa dollar no him fa
as a professor Bambo Atenso kwa so akebia no
yes but me krampo de masem ne say Inti Bawumia is the most credible person as we go into the next election because a lot of the things are odigu akwemu ana oka ho asem ankofo twe na bo so if you see so aba nya o mana na nse o mo ka Ghana card ho asem bio ndc aban ye o mo twe na bo so Ghana card ye di Ghana card ye de be den no so afi o mo ana ne o mo gitum se Ghana card no o mo de ba be ye enema ahodo ama na so ye digitization
and the actually for police and military
problem enti one of the reasons for which Bawumia is the best person for us, apart from the fact say apart from the fact say contrary to the Ankofo Kekan, he's not the reason for which we lost the election. The other facts say, and they say he's the most credible person I didn't go into the next election because a lot of the things are or kasa about no so abandon and next or no jina simply so obey to many NDC for because what you say of course say we na me de buy na so abani ababedu ase mo nkyere me de amo mo de aba from them we say because so over economy ni mo apart from reduction in the exchange rate omo programs o man kasa se o manifesto ni ba kokura mpo nya adwuma ba kokura reduction in interest rate exchange rate no and no ma inflation and I say can be na ma inflation abafom the inflation abafom bon say afi petrol aye kokra no wa ma no ne de ba no say petrol bo edu ba bi na eso ate kakra e start course run there e start course run bi okay but that's the only thing and but credit directly goes to DMB
me kwa me sha de na inflation de esi ate abafom de e wo senki timi enya effect no e wo market sa but minimum the idea at is room
because so we a basket of goods na omo assessing the chichiri inflation na chemie no niam e krafia buche ne niam e wo Ghana has kasa imported inflation na abafom because exchange rate na abafom na non imported inflation there enko bebia
na mpacho ka ho na
card de nke o senka imported inflation e kan
yes
but seja
ko market coffee
ko market abehu say ka bo swati anase esonti
ekosoro
but non-imported inflation no ene niema ye manufacture wo Ghana
yes
tie no we say bebre no kra ne bo okosoro in the sense say electricity ye de manufacture ne ma ne bo okosoro
yeah
electricity commercial electricity say ekosoro labor prices e mafom raw material prices e mafom Jobo say non-imported inflation esonte te say the inflation so ate
yeah
ansa na food inflation aduane obi adi no bo won sheda ma form because eniema aduane bo kosoro esonte omo say omo ye feed Ghana eni nkokon kete ni ale but still esonte
feed Ghana under 24-hour economy
offer enti me dey call back to Bawumia assembly catch us obo say a lot of the things are or chichire etu ho anamo no so abandoned and no original platform so as against any of the candidates na say mo a oka no o nyina so a o de kana sem and obia ntumi nka say enye no krese o na the gold purchase program by because videos date bibiara wo ho
back to Conrad for a report now mo say on the economy about 41%
yeah
and na e ka say
high cost of living
e ka krenti no ya no na the opponents so e dey borrow say your body day body sambrane say wo ye economic wizard entino and then as head of economic management team the committee na senku timi ehwema sarema ne eba form now also ye part of cabinet yeah no answer be na mo de ma
obi obe kan sa assembly bi na chere say either say abro no person dia na say kwan e fa so chiche o man no ntiase
sao
ye kai economic management team wa hwe aban no ho o ken kan ye constitution ye kan government o Ghana government president pajoti mi government kra nye obiao enye cabinet po president
yes
okay under president no first of all our cabinet nipa be 21 na omo na omotu no for government policy ena under cabinet no your cabinet plus ministers in attendance nti mi say na me cabinet minister na me call cabinet meeting okay nti cabinet na say ani afre nyina be kan bi say ya free cabinet ministers no na mo minister for aka no mo mra na mo nyina so mo mekere
including party general secretary and chairman
including general secretary and chairman no minister for but come in fact e do be bia you to me for regional ministers crab account
yes
okay ni nyina pa ho wia yet bibi a friend economic management team who ni for the economic management team by
hoya
dey kufo
okay
oba first no and not economic because oba no time oba na inflation nam 40%.
Yes.
Interest rate nam he fine ade to oba not economic management team after be 2-3 years no and not say a foot a omde man no what is man the economic management team.
Oh really, that's news to me.
In fact J.Kufuor book ba could be about written by Ivor Ajimendua.
Okay,
me a copy, I'll give you a copy ba kukra make I must say make all this man then after be 2 to 3 years economic management team there was say wa so omo dream bibi ho kra first also omo de beto cabinet plus ministers in attendance anim.
Okay,
ansa na cabinet crampo e decide ansa na omampani e decide so beti e omo kana na say
okay
nti e ka economic management team a omo ntumi ntina omo office as EMT for no omo fa telephone frɛ finance minister say yesi ana
dabi
ana governor say yesi ana yesi omo mbe dream de omo dream ho no ma chichire krata na sa krata no omo de aba cabinet plus ministers in attendance akọ cabinet ansa na omampani crampo so the be adwuma ansa na in fact me kai bible na da wani mi me kai yes me kai several instances are here Bawumia odi EMT anim ebe present papers wo cabinet.
Okay,
some of the papers cabinet gitumu some of them cabinet anjantu
and the cabinet kwa bejatum no some of them will be rejected by the president.
Oh, of course. Because want to me force no.
Yes.
What you say? Want to me enforce no. Na senka ya dia omo was ha to me no say omo no run economy now. Why would he need to come to cabinet to come and make a presentation and try and defend the position?
Yeah.
Men kai kra me kai say e-levy. The hon komo ba no wadi kan no about intended that. E ba the cabinet worker say ade we say a bad idea. Now we are obe constraining the digital economy no omo a sending more money kan na ade nyina o kan say we onim dia cabinet decide here so okay dia kan ya tenti dia e be say any transaction below 100 Ghana cedis yin film.
Yeah,
that was the decision of cabinet and then about me betimi ai
o timi nya ho hwe
good until obi bi obeka say na ono ye economic waste kid na ono na oye responsible for the economy na nya no kre eya de bia in fact mama diagress kakra me eya de bia me catch omo a finance ade epom na finance minister say finance minister no kra no responsible for the whole economy or you responsible for nearma for economy ni mu revenue borrowing expenditure debt management exchange rate kra kan ho
the economy ko percentage na trade
economy no eso trade for it is osono kese na the 9 inside ni dua what you say nti finance minister na crampo and confo feel say ono in charge of economy or in charge of fiscal policy pe.
Okay,
eba no monetary to say exchange rate asem ya
no dey
why na kan say over 1.1 billion no ba begum aba BOD pin enya governor de beka at force na beka.
In fact at Dr. Addison at a point in time waka say
obetumi ama dollar na ba 10
mekai
no because say as na Bawumia gold purchase program na year adwuma no na reserves ni grow.
Yes,
into the Addison kind say obetumi be there was see the pin down to 10 but the sustainability na question because that time no cramp no na gold prices no na fi na apike fi sa 1008 no aba na nim kakra but see so uko yi reserves ni na de be won pin my net confo bonyum e bon sema say about 10 area the sustainability wa infa enti yera Bawumia yes he was chair of economic management team or you need the ideas by me and the abandon G2 mu no eh adwuma business gold purchase program we say cabinet G2 mu abandon G2 mu ye ma ho kwan say ye ma Bank of Ghana for onye into that Bank of Ghana for e pound to ma in June 2021 omo share da e boni din da na se uko Dr. Addison video nim sa ada na sheda boni din da na se for ne idea odi aba ehwe na aboa eda odi ye friend is a drone delivery program ba ya o kan story about kwan ne papa fa so ka ba bi ne keka no ade ne kwan ya osusu se ade we e beboa ne ade cabinet ditumu ekokoye adwuma e ma no ba eda o mo ka so the domestic debt exchange program be ba DDP ono ka ho bi a ye kan se there be ade we de se wo so ye po a pension for ne ade ye free no Emma Mampeni, one case or Mampeni Nakasa Bay announcement said there will be no haircut.
Or repeating bed 3 times.
One haircut,
but eventually there was haircut.
Bawumia acquire haircut. No.
Debbie.
So what is this thing say, BBI? Let's blame him for it. Until the facts are that Wasum is the most marketed candidate. He's the most credible candidate today because a lot of the things are come one seminar and no and a play out. One of my person can't and bonito so they are not person chichiri bibi this one. But here's the point. On our platform, only broad they can be one step. The news wadi the person oyema party ninya holding. The person oyema Ghana nankasa nya holding. And no can wasem. And Kaifon could not platform so when I'm discussing ubia, discussing ubia, when I'm discussing ubia, Bawumia say, Bawumia say. Then no matter a quite ben no be faso aboa MPP na ye chechire no. I say be abo police faso aboa Ghana na ye chechire no. And until na da or the form square no ka say so do MPP ajai sai suban no. Na chire wani so ade hu. Na say no top party for akoma so a on beti na so pem no matter abama.
Adeba ko mo de board ni say yes ye humo mu di Dr. Bawumia chi a mo ye government former government appointees na mo pese chinchina ye fa Dr. Bawumia mra ni ensan fa mra me ye ministers ene ambassadors bi na musa menye bini na nkofo nkoso ntena fi you don't know so why a minister what the brain what the information as about be the very say works and housing more responses saying
you see your politics na ye be more politics are o me no se brofo na make say they thrive on sowing seeds of hatred.
Okay,
so wo god na wugina position bia ono so wugina bi no ono mehwemu mbambe chechire ni so ade hu papa bia so me ba me say amamu the person you know so person wo time god to about say god hu ni me ntia god yes ano ni lia bi da no ye say no person obey yes ano nti time god na to abeti
no
in fact there are several people out bomb because oh men to about Bawumia because chairman we say or support Bawumia na chairman we say oni wendi ni ye nti tuti Bawumia na chairman na agent na say Bawumia na agent nti because of that kona koto abane say na say kona koto abane ko be say my leader Alexander Afenyo Markin mimbisa no permission but leader Mpocho fachem mamin leaky some information bi wa say
okay yanko
leader the committee my constitution review exercise one of the proposals are here they call constitution review committee and say ye cry susu say MP4 yenka parliament enye adwuma no man panini nya free hand no appointed the ministers
and then can say more than 50% from parliament
man panini appointed the ministers
do power for amomra
na onya yen wo parliament na yenye parliament adwuma
yeah I agree
na ususu say ye obi aye propose wona any self-interest ni say you been obi a obe embody party no sunsum ne ni sune ne ban akogina mpempen so obi a party no e ho be yakono amobia that may be the only self-interest ebi ameka
but say no put yourself general
well but inti say no inti say who reduce self-interest
okay.
that may be the only self-interest
okay
but ne papa mu a me omo a mehu say wo mo pre say yento abama ba me nyina utie omo a they are always talking about why am ye dinidi ye nimu a okuna ye kona be mrama ye why am ye dinidi ye nimu a aban na ye be chechire the next MPP government ni be nya rechem say at the highest level ye sua bibi wo mu a ye de ye adwuma ebe ye why am ye dinidi na nimu a ye suni ye ban a ye pese ye de kirema ye ho ye akono no ebe ba enim that is what I hear them talking about it is rather omo a to be money ye Bawumia any camp no na Omuko Jinawa and a Bawumia you see, na Bawumia you see. Now I don't hear people on the Bawumia camp campaigning ill. Like how Omwa Omupese
na mumu say na mu camp God want be there is in and one the name is gone forever. Abojosle fatawo. They so say mommy na we be boa.
My wife was said that we dey on tiase. Na wako share constituency kakra ba be 2 weeks ah. Unya blade kra nyu abodwe. Na mse o no my word kakra bi o say we dey on tiase.
Eya munya ye kakra.
Oh chale.
Many days say na say na ba fe de.
Na still cry.
Oh my trouble pa no. Oh last week dey die. Me say stress dey come man na abodwe ne basao. I can't force so say ye.
Say plan na ma fa dey say. Otu kwa pe message.
No video call ko kuma santibi na na no wabodwi se na santibi ko wo haye fifiche haye yu omo kromba tunu yeso omo degu yawam wonka omo de me bomba
de no mpese hwini ba say and you sa campaign we see as an opportunity say we be say unia be attack unia be ke kan sama fa unia ho ansem fata ebi mo attack yeru about me attack ne ke kan sama ansem fata ni wie ye ko election no na o mukasa and then this for the air better bo TV so da ne da na say nkofo fi party mu bi web catcher say party for no o mti say ya wo a wo ti abonten no onyini wo be di nti be ma ye repeat that ayen ye nya nti so bi be this antro na enye no kro ba na ya de bi mu pese o mo eka say on betumi e dey apropos up anger against constituency chairman and constituency secretary and it happened in many other constituencies nti sa edidija theory ni ya dey ye kwa koto aba you see politics na ye ebi mu person create impression che bi mu say e be pay sika na ejapade nti say wo nya bia na je say we nya bia edidi eja unti time no
this is spoils of war
but party for no omtrima bobi o omtrima bobi o omunim de no kure ne da nya no kure enye first time near party for akwakoto abani nti ombetie ni na but they know the right choice that they will make at the end of the day so that so they all the bar on budget
of course said yeah
but they will make the right choice at the end of the day
all right I was for women television so and want to radio 5.9 ya since view no but still na movement TV dey ejuma kama program di Ghana nti miniminu ya Kwadwo Oppong Nkrumah, Member of Parliament for Fwasa Yoruba, former Minister Information, former Minister Works and Housing. And ye tested my yedi and Comonantino by 8:58:20 latest. Now you say the Comonina every year. And the baby said the message be brave. Baby say, Bamun Sokojo a very busy person. Intino a baby moi or ba. Mouse will say to the beer. Na Kwambu manner on phone. Ye friend na yet me in meeting with the time woman. Obeba obi saying with the mathematical question on was it NPP 120 cost less one is it 120 ministers cost less than Mohammed 60 ministers justified with 2024 and 2025 budget either by office of government machinery or budget as a whole. Hey, I'm now to read you mathematical question and now or no what the abremenon was it Kwadwo Oppong Nkrumah world class by all standards no almost okasa no money Agyapong was say I'm searching for research the honorable talked about but can't find it online. Okay, don't worry, may share the amount. Me I had a copy somewhere as a miss no
searching for Conrad Adenauer Foundation election report 2024 election report.
Yes, 2024 election report. And obviously was say I've realized the explanation. Please can I get us okay Mati number one next week we'll be seeing me at my channel now be say I need clarification. This say the party gave money to constituency executive to give you the police station executive for them to work they'll be their burden.
In fact the name of the report is Stock Taking Ghana's Democracy, Voter Behavior and Political Participation 2024-2025 put together by Gimpa and Conrad Adenauer Stifting Foundation.
Yes, but what you share with me?
Send on a cover and then you can find it.
Yes. We'll be say what is it true that Dr. Agyapong paid 5 million Ghana cedis to work in Agyapong before he campaigned the 2024 elections? And you know, Abeka says no pious and I'm video no what kind say in fact 1.5 million.
I've seen the video. I've seen the video. But then they are more wasem. Yeah, say Maka say you're about me or no original platforms wa. The focus here kwan be no betumi aboa manya chechire party no party no enya hoden. Nti te say welfare program or person dey ba party no mu. Te say kwan a o person or strengthen party no party no tumi ye more appointments. Constituency bi o wa ye kwa o meka chero so ye ba MPP abem ATS no ye nya appointee baako. Nti dey bi just ye fa telephone say ye frɛ minister bi na CEO omo so ma e bi zo frɛ na e bi a wunya no. Dr. Bawumia say o hwɛ constitution no appointments e wo so man pani ye no. O sese a obetumi ama constituency bi a 10. Nti constituency bia mo na mo be decide ni pattern na mo de omo no be godfathers of the party.
Okay.
Nti se bibi ni a omo ya mo appointment mo na mo do maba. Nti omo na wo so mo hwe constituency no. Mo hia bibi ni ade a hɔ na wɔ sɛ mo attention kɔ sɛ mo de ɔmo ba ne or appoint up na ɔmo nhwɛ constituencies a mo ma na so nte ɔbɛka kyerɛm sɛ mo finance for from bra na wayi wɔ ɛno sɛ ɛtɔ party for akoma so because ɛno ne problem a ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo solve sɛ wo problem ne sɛ wo de 5 million kɔma a obi ansa na ɔkɔyɛ campaign na ya ma 5 million a wonkɔyɛ campaign ɛno yɛ momo campaign asɛm ɛno ɔnyɛ yɛ campaign asɛm Dr. Bawumia say ɔpɛ sɛ ɔset up welfare scheme ɛwɔ party no mu
okay
na obi biara wayere ne ho ayɛ party adwuma no aban no ɛbɛ mu na sɛ yɛkyɛ nneɛma wɔ aban no mu sɛ bia ɛsi o yɛfa nkɔfoɔ wɔ ha yɛyɛ scholarship ana biribi a woso a woyɛ polling station chairman watumi aka sɛ o mfeɛ nan mepɛ adeɛ baako mu ebia media mepɛ scholarship ɛwɔ sɛ yɛtumi wɔ system a saa scholarship no nyama oba na yɛatwerɛ sɛ o kwaku broni wonya scholarship ama oba na ɔkyena yɛba ne yɛkyɛ police a wo akwaku broni wansa ama magye bio
because akoso denta so
wɔ akyerɛ no onya bi nti ɔno so ebia obetumi aka sɛ mfeɛ nan mu dia mepɛ ɛne sɛ mepɛ sɛ police lot aban ne meso me banya kwan ekobi nti the welfare system beba so no kan we na wo feel say wo asem here for campaign ni say ena we ya man prosini ena we ya pepeni ena we eno ya wo problem no campaign nti ye de say campaign no en haye ye de no niema e betumi aye ma party no enya hoden no man no enya hoden eno ne focus
is region members of parliament say it's a 21 and 22
say 23 I think
and emu dodo na say be 16 as a 15 eba bonte because of no through support behind Dr. Bawumia omu wie ye no na waka ho mu wie na Dr. Agyapong also a member of parliament or contest bi obeka na bonte say omu wie ne kura mpo no mu bi nipa be 15 mu bi no esene said message say o na mo boa wasa kwa ka say Dr. Bawumia no mu kura mpo e de ne have conversation ka say we the one say settings but adechi e me say my issue statement challenging him say omoni papa ko kura mpo din but responya
pacho e bia o channel pana sadi ni beba yente say omatimi abo obi ede ye chairman mafo kasa at length actually mu say sa asem na enye no kure secondly no ono so checking from Dr. Bawumia office no such conversation has gone on timi Jesus sa asem no abrewade pomana kotwere bebia wo say ekotwere ya clear in your mind say ade na ye no ye pese we need 2028 nti ye pe candidate ye de na du ano awie 41.7 aka kakra bi yetoto ye na ma wako mienu miensa wi a ye betumi e de na cross ye rakufo de no first time no say na me catch onya 39% yanse in fact o kai say your friend say ye redubu ahenko ye a wanya no
92
kofo ba na yense san mo de me koyan ke be wini ti eto party for asum no mo se san de ye rakufo ba ye rakufo o call first one when we 39% na nkofo san start here me am boss na nkofo ado munyi na ka be o mo se san mo de me koyan ke be wini mo de me koyan be ba hona party for ka se debi
there's
value in consistency nti yensa anto anu so bi obi onya 39% no when do 40 when do 41 when do 41.7 yenya onya 39% ye de call second one pa no atwam
2000
no atwam atra 50% ono no be president and na wo Ghana social intervention programs akese a ye boku for din ane asori na no mete so o maye Mahama case Mahama case who ma de go
see what is obakote that health insurance
for health insurance no ye no and omo de sekan esi we twabi say omo use can be the akwa create the friend no Mahama case
ne no aye den
say zasa no na omo nya bibi de Mahama din atoso
esensi akopingo
ka obi be ka say bia wo time Mahama na say be enya say wo time Mahama na say Mahama ade wo han be time obi an time no but Mahama case no cry omo say o mine dey kufo no nya 39% in 96 na no anakonta je say banchidada yedi akobja so yensan fe nkobio ono no be wini presidency a or the health insurance buy a and then NDC for bomb hosa for his health insurance ayi o metua health insurance nti health insurance na omo so refi parliament na omo so o metua nti ayi ema o metwa sika ne bi say yenfa nko create Mahama case mfa Mahama nti my point in say the fact say you about me nya 41.7 at his first shot at a national election after 8 years yera gufo kwa de na MPP ma abemu since
yes
the time we 8 years aye nneɛma nti sɛbe ya fomfom nkɔfo etete nkɔfo na so ne first shot 41.7 na obi say na your opportunity say you best na de na kɔ anim a na obi say there be empam no because oye pepeni wan kan yi
abusafo Kwadwo Oppong Nkrumah e wa say no na you be free TV so CCA be wrap up on social media just 5 minutes bi na you dey wrap up in case say e ko off a we are on social media Facebook and then YouTube near the one a wrap up until no sa tie na obi the question be by obi the question obi say me musa say Dr. Bawumia attacks the air so nyina no to be o tayara ne o so ho yara wan na mabo na mo so mo ne enamo a yara ne real ho de
o nipa me mbetra hanka say enka no o nipa eto de bi na one ne tena se a otumi ho say odi ya o
yes
say na we pa de na me de aye ne ntia o twa ntro gu me so keka me ho nsem sa o nipa
yes
so no so twa na mojaba yes but you see me dey be am ne kasa o ka assemble ko bi kire me a me nyini say we be fida or say my party right or wrong meaning say asem no what is that
anya na ayisuka
my party
wache jako
yes say party no front say be adwuma bia cost no matter so na be say adwuma no ma party no fanko nkotu hu nko edede wo de so na be som e bi de bi say nya wo kra na party no e be hye wani onyam a wo ba na wo nana bi
one day
party no be hye na ni onyam in fact say ye ba ba mu ye won ko for be a ye ma on position not because on one kasa ye be my party no because na ni papa
bi
ana ni wo fa bi aso osom kese bi nti o man pani decide so we ye man bibi kakra friendship busu na ni onyam
o make me din bi
all about me be catch us say my party right or wrong to no fiti the Bank of Ghana days party no be now deputy governor on am council be the governor obi any problem and I got to suffer so nyina on be gamble after party na 98 years on be gamble on buy am fa
ubetima lusu am pass to
the grampo ka be dey okonya adwuma second one na no so oja to ho ye wa ban mu asem bi to me ba otumi say omo a asem no no mo twetwom ti yera ba America ko gina na nkwala akra di na tem but obe sorry edina ko nti say oye we nyina ma ye wie na o kena bi no obi de ne begina simpie so no twabo no di na tem horo no saa oye nipa obedi ya woni mu but ohwe party kese no ene o man Ghana nankasa eda ye nim no ntia obekoso aso hwe eda 8th na no pa if you phone say yeah me declaration by 5:30
okay
the friend by 4:30 now me say boss what's up no say are there numbers no your quality from all over the country enya dia ye be win
yes
enti opeso ye concession speech na tension a bit palpable come has say because since at that time so now intelligence reports na there about any ankofo I excited on this side and Kofo so share that name their course on this side what it say we lose it as the leader no say ohwe on one personal interest versus Ghana interest
you
know decided say and yes any personal interest in no or ba betwimu a mankofo abewu nti sorry anopa no ye concession free era mahama so mahwe numbers no we win congratulations many of mine be kasa and let your people calm down no your mind kasa I say what her numbers no he put up a good fight to her numbers no there's no way we are going ebi mu kra nam say eno kra ne man lose
say na ka begusa we
okay me ba chere me seat ba ko a you win here not because of concession into no you to me hold you
member Mr. through challenge no say omuma me ba ko se ready ni omo ya omo so na won hwe alodom predie
na we need the seat we winning the seat obi say one na nya adwen say we winning the seat e we eje nya court na asem ko wie how could somebody have taken that seat from him
and na he hold there no La Paz
Patrick winning the seat how could somebody have taken that seat from him
yes
until uchi move for 5 days
Abdulkumanov
they are enuntina and you see ebi mu ni MPP abakosem 1992 na misao ye to aba ni wi a GTV nom the camera ne light akosi Independence Square ne the blackboard kese bia be si ho
ko choro so
ye choro so nti what to aba no police station we unim dey see this all correct GTV no say a choro say oh ayi constituency we le we ukobisa wan nti we ne choro book say stolen verdict say ye GDC e wini ye na nkofo ni wi a verdict no na eniem e betumi ama election asesa ne say e wo say ye bibi e friend no pink sheet na polling station bia ye to aba wi a ya kan atro pink sheet no na ya ma contestant no baako ye dis answer ne bae answer ne ma ntumi call Supreme Court 2012-2013 ye ko ne ya pack ye pink sheet na akọ ya kan pink sheet ni na nti ye hu se ye wini nti election wu kwa pink sheet a wa wini me ye to aba wi wo fun ase a within 45 minutes
na we be bia wo
na me wo every single result Nyankasa ye set up ye war room or baby ye screens ni ade ye behu percentage to there yi inti se obi akọ election wi na ye wi na ya scan the pink sheets ni na aba central MP school kra copy a ane na oma obi dada o se okọ consider in terminity na
me ka say
e create problem we fa
me ye call you know a send off by election na baby a operation room na ejo anotimo aye screen ho no monti e ho ara me kware ma ba ma be hwe na me focus on some few police stations bi enti me share asempa na ye say about 4 police stations ene wo ho results the buy ye no now what the share previous election na
what me say
enti just asempa na ye say gaga bi hwe me a gabi aso se da ko
obe kan no crash
me hu ye na me share me ujafo asempa na ye die me just ade be ko ya
election enye to trust mo and election yes I election say to trust me to trust ori opa ma obi nkofa ma cho men ne ade nyina say why you wadwuma yi kura o pink sheet a ye mo atwede wo ho o pink sheet ne be kire baby we win and all the seats that we won NDC tries on be coca the pink sheet the pink sheet.
Was the God please read this to Honorable for me. Tell him that I love him and plead with him and the others to do what he's doing now for DMB, because many of DMB followers are sad and worried, so that they should come out to preach the good news. We have no Michael Obing Kumasi Ufurikrum constituency and na wo what I want to bosa fe Dr. Bawumia no kwasa ono wasi form ntino obeba mo eni mo ba bedi enkomo na obi say me musa sa question we say enkofosi the obupe bold leadership na when Dr. Bawumia so ananti ache and know who you are we see we say we pay train we see the adwuma wa ya ni adade you can say we be a bold leader you know e dia nya hwanya
bold leader you be a one or consider a niema ekosu nyinara eji information about niema ekosu nyinara na wada so adwene ho na we take decision say na edimpo a e wo so take pacho bold leader nye obi a ese asemba ote first one no start back nye no ni boldness o the big bold leader you be a obedi ka give information ni na wasese wahwe options no we take a decision say that decision enyo kurampo a obi take no be take na the entire so we ka da you about me be submit in forms no o kan sa se me ho asem o se twifo bu be say pani due mante in other words, a wise leader or pretend this sometimes on tea, even though I want it. I didn't because of person we need no take a decision. So that decision no bit me standing the test of time. In common idea about the election concessions, that was one of the boldest things any leader could do.
Okay.
What him say Yera Mahama 2016. The power and sana or concede.
Nanu bonya ye. 2016 yeah ye kwate tia no
obegina garden ho ni fie ho a wo hwe video na wa otumi ho
so ka so obela no pa
we say 2020 pro there one concede
till now
2020 Yera Mahama one concede this election no it takes a bold leader to honestly put all your numbers together and come out and tell your supporters and the people of Ghana, say, I've watched the numbers, we have lost. We will live to fight another day.
That's a bold.
Yeah. Nelson Mandela, okay, the book be Long Road to Freedom.
Freedom, yeah.
Ebedu baby, omo follow South African struggle. Ebedu baby, after apartheid free hono. Ebi before no led by Chief Mongosotu Buthelezi.
Buthelezi, yes.
One person taking revenge. Because any abofune di money for decades. Then the apartheid the free hono say ebi before aba in control. Kakra
aye.
Nelson Mandela looked at the party in Penifo in the face and told them, say, nobody will go and inflict violence on Sanko for him. That's what the people want. That the people will feel better if almost to me. Say, if you say I am your leader, then follow me. Leader, do baby. Even despite the anipadodo omu bay for blood, no. It's not just about Modi or minus that was what DMB did on the morning of the 8th of December. That was boldness. Will say, I am not sure that is boldness. Boldness is rather the one or consider information in Nara. We're taking the decision in the best interest of the country. After that day, no, I know people who say, if you are Kwane Sana, who say, no, Akwane be answer Kofo Kafane Hono.
I just had it.
He has Ghana at heart.
In fact, Ubesha Krompa, the Nekufado.
Yeah.
You call Supreme Court petition, no, 2013 August. Ya mo Ejima Jomahama. Okasai, was he disagrees?
I disagree with the decision. Every fiber, every bone in my body disagrees with what has been decided. But as a trained lawyer, so when himself, when the court speak, he has to oblige.
We really afraid Bahama. And no, Omali Tinkwa.
Yes.
There was a video like that.
Yes.
Yeah, Napaku say Misata.
I'm sure why twice. What? Fourth floor.
Yes. Almost fitati ho. To call the by the Napaku say Misata. We say one more from yeah.
That was a bold leader.
That would be Obekai. And Misata, Sao call you no. Napaku is a video no. Obey interview. And the judge was a for Kwanza. It's sad.
Yeah. Just to end on that one, it's argument of bold. I have for baby will be a better team market and patronia and only boldness. You see, penny due mate mante. Boko uti information in every usisimu we are. We take your decision and you have the resolve to stand by it. And yes, obey gidi I could decide back. Now for your channel, what's the sound drink? Now for your channel,
what should about me? I see the training. Banker, academic, vice president. In fact, we should go down. Untimka say he's a typical Zongo boy per se. Son and go for a huno. What should I you detached from grassroots ana?
Or more. It makes his argument. Or more, person or mokase. Sebi. So, ufiti unkwala brimino. One brea. This is a woody and yansa. A dishe eku so anase, nipa so anase, if you know, unyabida. It is a one bread there, then you lack something.
Dabi.
And you're correct. So be a sebi yan one unto him. Anase obi a yan one unto car crying chair and ase be a one bre in kwala brimino. Let's say or no, unini dia, he did cool and independent. That supposition is wrong. That's the first point I'm saying. They make it.
Okay.
Number two, your party, no. Eh, we say, na party to fuck time or do six mo. Ni why BJ da rocha mo. Ni edu bohemo time. So that time now nim the uncle for can fire. Some say a cratch for party.
Aye.
No, I'm saying people before there. A cratch for party. Book nkwa. I didn't a book nkwa. Because MPP cool no. Ansa na penny bi. Ebe sorry bi na no. Aka bibi sa de we mesusu se yenye ne yenu no akwadre wo sa de no adomu asuko akohu se usisi we na sisi we ha say ne wo say that was our hallmark. Ebi mu pese over the period no e to no twene In fact, the upper mami phone call back to 1947.
A UGCC.
Aye.
Okay.
Time yete. In fact, time Ghana, yeah, green independence. One man na omo bobre suku corner ade do level B. And yes, we are cratch for. No bad to get on form UGCC. Almost see ya no mu say 1 ye pay independence, 2 or mine ye nya ye be friend Ghana. Dan kwa mu na ye say so mine no cry na ye be friend Independence Day no cry no ye be ye no date be
6th March
1957. Unu ma de kontia because ye sign a bond of 1844 no 6th March. No ma ye sa analysis ni na egu ho. Om say kaka ho say self government no ye pen in the shortest possible time. Ye ntutu ye bona brof because e na pama brof no mo kwa one na be headmaster of school ha one na be CEO ha say one na be we wa say in training ye into ye no shortest possible time ye man ho mre kakra na ye ntumi ntutu ne ma kakra na wo no ye do be ko school we 3 years into wo ba ye ji independence ne de wa ko ha say wo na be ebia asem kan ECGMD wo na be ebia asem kan VRMD wo na be ne ntutu because colonization into in training and confonia into self government in the shortest possible time no ko fa Kwame Nkrumah bae Nkrumah bae na ohwe no hu say there be obetumi I work up youth no with a lot of populism into obtain no form party CPP no say self government now we prefer independence in Deben to self government in tranquilly okay campo boss be na abofo kromo high on ko ne ko independence Nkrumah no di anim ko independence ni we no we na say Ghana no krampo why no one party state ono kasa obi nkabi kan kabi
the only Kwame
PDA nsem bebria e de buy but senka yeto ye buye tie dia empanimfo ne kan say self government ne de ye pe but nke yento no in the shortest possible time ne yento to ye nema ebia nanka some of the early challenges are ikonya no enka MPP ko no sa measure meritocracy de obi si book long na ade no eno na na edi animu a ne bedu baabi no ebi mu argument ne say yento ni na angu na yenye radicals buga de obetumi dey start you are rolling scroll de buga bae no
why that a Democrat
e ko wi say nti buga de obetumi dey start but in the end no so one to Bible say why no sit down e wa bra won fi ase say or sisa ahwea he na mehia ebo ahe na mehia cement ahe na mehia roofing sheet ahe na mehia wan ye ne sa abakwa koka kwantimfi Moses say ane dynasty won completed building nti Bible kraji tum say bibia wo ya e wo say wo measure me the Bible si wasem no so ye kasa grassroots a enkyere say obi a already dey bia o say yenji bibia ama grassroots baby ye kasa grassroots a e wo say ye hye ne man in such a way say grassroots benya bi ne wo mfinfin benya bi de wo soro so a ode nsika boa e benya bi nti omo a pese hye grassroots kutu pan say we mpe wasem e na we mu no man say na we mu didi eja mo pam mo film na wonye say menua eno emmoa o party na sorofo nko antumi nchechire saa so na asefo nko antumi nchechire e wo say yenya pani a ohyehye say esorofo me hia say e de ayade mfimfimfo me hia technocrat say de ayade asefo no so me yesi na afi ebe wie no na party na ide ay cohesive say mo man ye de say yes grassroots we na pe grassroots we de on pe grassroots ye mpam we mu nyina na ye party no you know enche bibia ma grassroots ye be wie no na quiet say unim Libya omo yi Gaddafi fi ho obi afa we na we de second we na je say o man no egu ko Iraq ko hade omo yi Saddam wie ye omo ankasa omo hu we ko hade I wo nti o man bia there should be order ko bia there should be order aya chichi say hwamu na wase hwamu na omfifi hwamu na wosoro kwa be no bia de wo se ne saka no isaba nti se me tie pani bi me ma se mi wie se me tie pani bi na se oye ne se na ahafo nko an na ye mpam nkai fo na mfimpe me red flag koso mi trim me pepani a otumi hyehyɛ ehu se ye hia se ne ahwehwɛ mo bia nsa ka ne de na ma party no agina edua na si won enye ne ntiri nko an ma na yedua ena enye dua ne mfimfin nko an ma na yedua and then any branches and quantum money eduanina. Say yenya penny or becca say yenchiri meduani na ho. E better na eduana swaba. Yenya penny or becca say yenchiri meduani na ho a. E better na eduano crampo no say nsuo tona se egu ase a etumi anonom afa ni ntiri mu afa eduane mu aba bedu ni leaves na ni fronds ni fruits so. Ti mo me yenya careful. Nyese bibia no yengu bibia nhye no dwere be. Meko
YouTube almost say boldness is not a matter of shouting.
No.
We say insusie infenipa aje insunyuno and what into bracket Jake Kufo. We say let Bawumia be Bawumia, let Ken be Ken. We say okay, that video fact me musa was it we musa will be about your view on the UP for no there be in your mountain wa o mo de I told you that penny back on so wa asokwa adanse asokwa was
me I know for Katie Krum
for Katie Krum was one what shawo pa na prof K was saying can so what shawo na wo twen
mate obeteminka
was say MPP doesn't need any greedy selfish traitors. Judas in the party, okay. It's what manager for Nana Kufa.
That's true.
Na I know sepa Sunani. You two abeli ye Kufo winning. A Kufa do your campaign. Ubiad who say campaign. 2000 elections, general elections, Kufo winning. Kufo a year Agyapong, the press secretary. A year Kufado. Attorney General. Obumia na me said that etabu mu say obumia mi. So as na president public secretary will be the press secretary there.
No jide onu.
No jide onu mu. And na say be so share president Kofo say we sit here baby we free tradition culture we ni mu ne lawyer at your tender age obese wo abuza government ma. Yeah, etino no for Agyapong say what the press secretary there because say Agyapong the dinner take can send basa a good hufi abano campaign for the next 98
no enkenya de obefa na eno so ne here was say titru yen younger ones na ye di echi ye sua bibi film say odi panin bi echi a nyese obeye over enthusiastic na 77 obi papa na so obi wo fabia na bibi na udidi na tem the cancer man ensem fata me wo yura Bawumia campaign team nipa 9 na ejina ho a ne no e contest nyina men kasenti abako krada not because ebia sebi misro man abi bade bia yo bu ne ani die e na ye de mo bia se wo man ye se wo Bawumia side nti obedidi obi atemu a kai hunu se wo ankasa usu no ban na wo da na di ma men kan play Uso a wo area Kennedy camp na area Brian camp na bibia be feel say we take advantage of we say na the wakasa kasa ensem fata we di atem ne nkeka ne ade no wa usuban na wo da na dio e ochina na MPP no we ni power obo se wo a wo da suban a ensem fata di no wo do krata ko ba bia camp na wo man kasa crampo no omo na wo betia obi na say ba kwa we dey o say hwe ni
ho hwe ni
nti afutu na me de bema younger ones na eba in politics say and take advantage of ade we say enke kansem wansem fatamfa obi a enkoyo wo fa na wo papa mpo anke be ofe and take advantage any seduma no na mpo no say wo koko misbehave a senior example a wo site yura kwabna Agyapong senko didi yura kufu atem walo ye campaign manager mana na abdan kwa kufu adwa menyi ni senka yura kufu be fa na press secretary
dabi
nti fa ho adwe meso bibi
that would be the message be about was say in 1996 when Kufo considered defeat Rawlings at the displeasure of the supporters. Kufo said he was on the quotation. Kufo said, "Why wait? The figures so far don't seem to favor us, and you, my supporters, don't even have pen knives. Why should I wait and push you to face people armed with guns?"
When we say Kufo call Jerry Rawlings swearing in, there were a lot of MPP people who were unhappy with him.
Yeah, I remember.
A lot of MPP people were unhappy with him.
Said
but Okachrom say, there's a nation ahead of us. I was here building. In fact, can be. I mean, you be can be na embassies no ni ade nyina no. Afio mbe hu Kufo say, "Ah, why your statesman?"
Yeah.
Why statesman? Tafi bon say Bill Clinton na ebesra Ghana o say one about
yeah friend
say no akwa we say by statesman man in say you about me as a concession or a mistake. No, it was one of the boldest things any political leader would do. Leader who names say well lose na to trust him to one kind of crunch with supporters maybe bekwaku no ba ku bia moja is on your hands.
Mate abja for enti Kwadwo Oppong Nkrumah member of parliament for Fonsa Yebi NNMOT Nkano na gastro Mr. Pacho say wo stomach ulcer any typhoid fever make am for ediama menso plus Mr. so no wo ba bosume so na asema be fie no make am for ediama prostate plus mixture member especially prostate hardware no mese kona kwaji prostate plus mixture libi obetimi akwa repair ventures na naboache heba ekus pharmacy Ashama main station House of Drugs Ewala Pass obetimi afre 0248778899 778899 high sense for them me say money man mati to say hu gas cookers washing machines smartphones sound system water dispensers ne microwaves bebre no nyina ebi ewo hall test freezers air conditioners and television sets akese nyina no ebi hall mo ewo high sense the whole Ghana omaji bebia aboso from an alcohol moneko to be and we Semence Vita Herbal Mixture and Capsules Semence Vita Herbal Mixture and Capsules say bia usisi ya we ya and I said akubia be say friend sciatica and sciatica bacho kwaje Semence Vita Herbal Mixture and Capsules ni bi na enya wapomu dine which are from 0244 718557 0244 718557 and 0241604702 tabia takum ememe nyina Supreme Court judge ena abano pacho wabo matches when your cases was second court high court nyina de be wudifa tabia takum aba oba beje kama for asem komano ebe emema dia ntinya fe na ba bechichi meme dro di yen kan kese ntino eno hona mde besi kojo ye da sese all right
it also so na akwanya
Adongo and then the producer and yes sorry nyame adoma e channel pa ibisi akwa good movement in the morning FM God na sabe dia good night.